Want to know what's next in UI/UX design for 2025? Get ready for trends that will transform the way users experience your website or app. Stay tuned. As we approach the new year, some game-changing trends in UI/UX are set to redefine the digital experience. Whether you're a business owner or a designer, these are the trends you can't afford to miss. Trend number 1: Morphing Effects. Let's kick things off with morphing effects. This dynamic design technique allows elements to transition seamlessly. Trend number 2: Glassmorphism. Next up, we have glassmorphism. It's all about creating sleek, translucent UI elements that offer depth and a modern aesthetic. Trend number 3: 3D glassmorphism. Taking it a step further, 3D glassmorphism combines the glassy look with 3D effects. This trend makes designs feel more interactive and immersive. As we enter 2025, let this be the year your designs break through the noise. Contact Intact One Solution to bring these exciting trends to life and create a memorable digital experience.